Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Emma. What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany. What about you?
I'm from Brazil.
Where do you live?
I live in Sao Paulo. And you?
I live in Berlin.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. And you?
I am 22 years old.
What do you do?
I'm an artist. What about you?
I'm an engineer.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. What about you?
I have an older sister.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. What about you?
I also enjoy traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I love burgers. What about you?
I really like tacos.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play guitar and go hiking. What about you?
I enjoy painting and watching movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop music. And you?
I like rock music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak German and a little Italian. Can you?
I can speak Portuguese and English.
What is your favorite season?
I like autumn. What about you?
I prefer winter.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing basketball. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play volleyball.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King. What about you?
I love The Dark Knight.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like cooking Mexican food. It was really nice talking to you, Emma.
It was great chatting with you too, Alex.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.